Hello everybody, and today I want to show you how to convert a normal image to black and white image and to be able to adjust it. So let's start with our tutorial. First of all, go to Layer, New Adjustment Layer, and go to Black and White. Click on it. And then it's asking you to add new layer, you click OK. So as you can see, right now we have a new layer on top of our background, and we can hide it to see our previous result. And as you can see, this layer also allows us to adjust the light level of all colors on our photo. So if we, for example, go to back, and we see that red color is mostly on top of our photo, so we will adjust red color of our photo. So if we go back, and we try to adjust red, as you can see, it changes on the top of our photo. Same thing with all other colors, with yellow, green, blue, and other stuff. It only adjusts parts of our photo where this color is. So you can play with it all around and adjust the photo the way you like it. And yeah, and that's gonna be our final result. So we can go and hide our black and white layer, and we can see our photo before and after editing. Thank you very much for watching my video. Subscribe to the channel, comment, and hopefully we'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a good day!